In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create apps on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for you to have ability or access to tools for apps creation, you need first to enable developer mode on your ChatGPT account. To do that, log into your ChatGPT account and then go to your account profile here, click on it and choose settings. Under settings, head over to apps, and under apps, choose this advanced setting option. So if you click on advanced setting, now you can see we have an option for developer mode. So by enabling this, now we shall have access to connectors and also to the ability to create our own apps. So toggle this on and you're told this will allow you to add unverified connectors that could modify or erase data permanently. However, you have to note that memory will be disabled. Now, once this is done, you will have now an option to create apps. However, if you had already switched to developer mode, then to start creating your apps, again, go through the same process. Just click on your profile icon here, go to settings, and then choose apps. And under apps, go to advanced setting. And now you can see we have an option to create app. If you click on create app, here you can start by adding your app icon, which is optional. Give your app a name, give it a description, add the URL, and then choose your authentication here, and then agree to the terms and conditions of custom MCP server. Once you are done, now you'll see the create button or option will be on. So that's how you can create apps on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.